Here's what you do if you hear that buzzing. Take an Allen key and put it in that hole right there. Once you, once you stick it in the hole, once you get that in the hole, you just stick it in the hole. Put it deep in the hole there. Just spin it like so to break whatever free that's causing it to wind up like that. It's gonna be loud. Much better. Now, sticking it in the hole doesn't always work. Usually sticking it in the hole will 95% of the time break free whatever is stuck in the garbage disposal hole. But sometimes it doesn't work. So it should spin freely like that, and you shouldn't hear or feel any kind of resistance. So, come on, focus. So the next time your disposal, and they all have them, next time your disposal is stuck, just stick it in the hole. Just remember, stick it in the hole. And you may just impress that special lady in your life. And then you could ask her to, stick it in the